Welcome back to our series on gas grills and health. Today we'll discuss the myriad practices of grilling that span continents, cultures, and cuisines. Gas grilling is more than just a method of cooking. It's a thread that weaves the stories of people, food, and health around the world. Non-communicable diseases like heart disease, stroke, and cancer often come from lifestyle choices, including dietary habits. Grilling food, which is a worldwide favorite method, can contribute to health risks when cooked at high temperatures, leading to the formation of gases and other chemicals that are harmful to our body. It's crucial to balance our love for grilled food and knowledge about how it can impact our health. And air quality also ties into the global grilling narrative. The emissions of gas grills, while generally lower than the emissions from charcoal or wood grills, still contribute to both indoor and outdoor air pollution. Keeping our grill areas ventilated and maintaining our grills regularly can significantly reduce these impacts and ensure that our grilling practices don't compromise on the air we breathe. And let's not forget the environment either. Using propane or natural gas grills are part of our fossil fuel consumption. These grills inevitably release greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. Around the world, countries have responded to these health and environmental challenges in a variety of ways. Some countries have launched public health campaigns that promote safer grilling practices, while other countries have or are trying to introduce legislation that regulate grill operation and production. So that's all I have for this week's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And until the next week's video, take care.